May the force be with us, Johnny.
We got the 2 cameras recording.
Okay, oh wow. That's amazing.
Oh, it's not nearly as powerful as it was. It's not as powerful as
Oh, follow.
Phil, you gotta follow me.
Walk.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's okay.
Okay, you gotta...
Johnny, you're not putting those goggles on, are you?
It's just a
Yeah. Of course I am.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, we need a nice...
This is not going to end.
We're gonna get one flight.
Yeah.
Why are they connected?
Please don't rip my power cord out.
Hey, come on. It's just a
Gotta open the brain waves come through this thing, Liam.
Wait a minute. I'm having a laugh attack.
Johnny?
Yeah?
Don't move your hips too much, you're making me dizzy.
Billy, I can't see a thing.
Wait.
Wait a minute. Take a picture, Liam.
I can't. Wait, what are they doing? Like, wait, does Uncle Phil see out the front of the plane?
I'm looking at the sky right now. I'm looking down.
Why is it so dark?
I don't understand this.
Why is
I'm letting
everything...
go of you, Johnny.
Billy, don't do
I'm holding
that.
on to you.
Billy, why is it so dark?
I don't know. I can see perfect. I'm getting a kink in my neck. I'm trying to move the sky down. Okay, there. Perfect.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my god, that's so
How am I
funny.
supposed to do this?
Wait, should
No,
I, like,
no, no, not that way. You're going to go into the barn.
Liam, you throw it then. Okay, how am I gonna... Stacey, you're gonna have to put my goggles down.
Hey guys,
Okay, I will.
this is like Bob's story.
Liam will.
Mom,
Okay,
it's
Liam.
Can you take...
Okay, Johnny.
If you knew how you guys... Johnny, don't throw it that way. You're going to end up at the barn.
You gotta come and put his goggles down so he can throw and take
Still,
off.
watch out.
Here, John, don't put
I
the
need
goggles
somebody
on.
to put my goggles down, but not somebody holding something in the other hand.
Here,
I
give me
actually
this.
need you to concentrate on it. I don't want to
Come on, folks, stop playing around.
Don't have any fun.
As soon as you put those goggles down,
Look at Uncle
Phil.
I'm seeing one thing all the time. It feels very close to my
It doesn't have enough
Aww.
feet. Battery?
and there's quite a commotion happening.
Hey, shut up! Go lay down, Rip.
It's just a dog barking.
I can feel it. It's not. I can try it. What the hell? It's only a plane.
Okay.
Okay, you can still see stuff, Phil?
Yeah, I see. That was a major crash, man. We were up and down just like that. What happened?
Oh my god. No, you don't. Whoa!
Oh, right in the house.
Oh dear.
What happened to our pilot?
That's done.
Aw, he was so excited about flying up here.
Oh.
What?
It froze.
Oh man.
Not enough power.
See? Look it.
How come it kept going right that way, Johnny?
I don't know.
Is there malfunction?
I have no idea.
Okay, can you finally fly?
I don't know. Maybe. I thought up until today I could fly.
Me
It's gonna
too.
go right into the
I've
house.
seen
Billy,
it.
do you like
Leave
those
my
windows?
house alone, Johnny.
Do you like those windows?
Hit the barn if you can hit anything.
It's gonna fly really tail heavy because now it doesn't have all that extra weight.
Yeah.
Oh, oh,
little
oh,
loop-de-loop.
oh,
Little loop-de-doop. Oh no, he's taking out the asparagus. I'm glad I wasn't in for that one.
oh. Couple barrel rolls going straight down.
Oh yeah. That's flying. Nice. Oh, that's flying.
Philly! Oh yeah!
Oh,
Johnny.
Oh, Johnny.
It's way up there. See it?
I see it.
Oh, there's a tree there.
Tree.
Can you see it? Wow. It's so far.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's way up. Here he comes.
Watch your head.
Watch the truck.
Who likes their car more?
Woo! Woo! Whoa!
Come on. Did you get that?
Wow! I think I did.
Who does that?
Oh my God! I just didn't want to hit my
I
truck.
didn't think he was actually gonna land.
I did.
What are you doing?
Did you?
I
catch
hope.
that at
I don't know.
least? Or
I
it
was in shock.
flinging around?
Johnny, I had to jump and it hit my foot.
All video.
I know. Johnny's trying to kill us all.